given that f of x equal to x minus 4 and h of x equal to 2x plus 3. Find part A, h inverse of x, part B, h inverse of 5, part C, h or f of x, which is a composite function. So for part A, which is h inverse of x, is our question. So we are going to let h inverse of x equal to y. So step 1, we have to let h inverse of x equal to y. So after letting, we have to write now the equation as y equal to, we get the expression for h of x from the sentence, which is 2x plus 3. So we have to pick this expression, which is going to be 2x plus 3. So y will be equal to 2x plus 3. So after writing this equation, we have to make x subject of the equation. We have to make x subject of the equation by taking 3 to y. And this is positive. So once it crosses equal sign, it will become negative. So it will be y minus 3 equal to 2x. Since we are making x subject, we have to divide both sides by 2. So these will cancel. We shall remain with the x equal to y minus 3 over 2. So we have made x subject of the equation. Now we have to bring back the actual question. Therefore, h inverse of x equal to, so now when writing this expression, we have to remove where there is y. We have to remove y and replace what is given inside the brackets. So here we have x. So y will be replaced with x, which is going to be x minus 3 over 2. So this is the inverse. We go to part B. H inverse of 5. So for h inverse of 5, for simplicity sake, we are going to pick this stage. We are going to pick this stage, which is x equal to y minus 3 over 2. Because we have to pass through the same procedure, making x subject of the equation until you reach this stage. Now since we have, so it is just the matter of picking this expression or this equation. And to conclude this question, we have to replace now where there is y with 5 is what is given. So therefore, h inverse of 5 will be equal to, where there is y in this equation, we will replace 5 is what is given inside the brackets. So it will be 5 minus 3 over 2, which is h inverse of 5 will be equal to 5 minus 3, which is 2 over 2. So H inverse of 5 will be equal to 1. So this is how you should answer the two questions. We go to part C, the last one. Okay, so part C. So part C, it's H or F inverse of X, which is a composite function. So for the composite function, they want us to combine the two functions. So this one will be equal to H open square bracket F of X close square bracket, where F of X will be treated as the domain since it is in front. So this will be our domain. So this will be equal to H open bracket F of X. So we have to get the expression for F of X, which is X minus 4. X minus 4. So now X minus 4 is our domain. And for the domain, it means we have to replace this X minus 4 into H of X expression where there is X. So here where there is X, into this expression, we are going to replace with the X minus 4. So this one will be 2x1 minus 4, but x1 will be replaced with x minus 4. So this one will be 2, where there is x1, we are going to replace x minus 4. It's going to be like so. Then I mean this was supposed to be 2x plus 3. That's a correction, because we are getting the expression for h of x, so it's 2x plus 3. So here it should be 2x1 plus 3. So where there is x, you replace now x minus 4. So this positive 3 will be dropped down the way it is. So now it will be 2 times x, which is 2x, 2 times negative 4, it's negative 8, plus 3. So 2x negative 8 plus 3, it's negative 5. So this is the solution. Hopefully you have enjoyed my video. This is Mr. Mlinga E. Thank you.